So Youkyung, talk us through these preliminary numbers.
Yeah, so Samsung reported results that were in line with expectations. So the third quarterly sales are at record high, reporting more than 70 trillion won, and its operating profit also showed more than 25% growth from a year ago. And the company did not give any other details other than those two figures. It didn't give the divisional breakdowns, which will be released on October 28th when it holds earnings conference call, but analysts say that most of its sales and profit were coming from its flagship semiconductor division. Its memory chips and custom-made foundry business both likely saw strong recovery thanks to strong demand during the chip shortage, and also growing demand for data center and smartphones as well. Its smartphone business also likely reported strong result because the initial demand for its Galaxy Z series smartphone, the foldable smartphone that cost nearly $2,000, showed very strong sales before it goes into the critical holiday seasons. So all in all, yeah.
So let's talk a little bit about the stock right now. Is moving up 0.7%, but this, of course, after falling about 20% from its January peak. This GTV chart on the Bloomberg showing forward PE falling to the lowest in 18 months, really skewing the entire Korean market. So what are analysts saying about where do we go from here?
Yeah, so South Korea's largest stock, Samsung Electronics, it has been underperforming the benchmark Kospi. The company share is rising about 1% today, but it has since given up about half of that gain since the market opened. Analysts still have a buy rating despite the company's shares sharp fall from about 20% fall from its peak. And they also have a price target, 12-month price target that represent about 40% return from the current price. The reason behind their buy rating is that they see that Samsung will continue to see strong demand for its chips. Recovery in foundry business will also continue, and its smartphone, the new very expensive pricey smartphones, are also seeing strong sales. So the key for the Samsung share is whether the foreign investors will make a comeback to South Korea, given that the weakness in the local currency, we may have to wait and see until that really happens. But in the long term, definitely the analysts see that the company's stock has reached the bottom.